Pauraju Weight Loss Shorts Review. So, these shorts are marketed as thermogenic, fat burning. They have postpartum recovery compression briefs, and you should treat them as a high risk and overhyped product, honestly, and not a reliable weight loss product. But why? Anyways, Pauraju sells several microparticles, sculpting, and fat burn shorts on their site. You can take a look at that. But we're in Amazon right now and taking a look at their product. With all that being said, it's also meant to be around the budget shapewear range. The issue is going to be just the marketing. Shorts can compress your waist and make you sweat more, but sweating does not mean you are burning belly fat directly. Parajuice's own product page uses strong transformation style claims, but when you're sweating, it's not gonna target a specific part of your body. Your body decides for you, and it's not just gonna point it to your belly if you're sweating in your belly. That's not how it works. It's going to be all parts of your body at the same time. And the pinpoint sweating or the lose weight in a specific part of your body, that's just a myth, and that has never been proven. So there are pros like the affordable price. It may work as a compression shapewear, but other than that, there's no strong independent testing. So that's what the cons are. The fat burning shorts claim is questionable. So it's just going to be temporary sweat or water loss rather than real fat loss. So limited trustworthy customer reviews as well. And the scam check review websites say that it's been described as a risky drop shipping style product with exaggerated claims. So as a final verdict, Pauraju weight loss shorts are not something you'd call fully legit for weight loss. They may be okay as cheap shapewear or workout shorts, but if you're buying them to melt belly fat, it's probably just better to skip them. So it's risky and overhyped and not recommended for real weight loss. So hopefully this video helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.